So Apple has recently launched the Apple Creator Studio. So this is subscription based apps. So Apple had all the apps with them in the past. Everyone is paying for them for one time. For Final Cut Pro it is 29,000 still. You can buy it. But with this subscription, you can just rent it for month by month. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it. Still you can buy it for 29,000. But if you want to take it as a subscription per month rent, then you can just pay it 399 per month. This is very cheap in comparison to Adobe. So Adobe is giving you 1499 per month, but you are getting 399 per month for Apple Creator Studio. However, Adobe has a lot of softwares in comparison to Apple. But if you are a beginner and if you want to start YouTube or start your creative journey and you have Apple devices, then this should be in your mind that you should buy this, because you are getting a lot of apps. I'll show you right now that what apps you are getting, but you are getting at a very low price, 399 per month, or you can give 4,000 per year. You are getting 1 month free. Also, if you are a student, then this is very easy. You are getting 200 per month only, and also you are getting 1 month free. And if you are to take it for a year, you can just give it 2,000 rupees. Okay, this is a very low price in comparison to if you are buying it one time for 30,000, or you are giving the Creative Cloud as 17 or 18,000 per year. Also, if you are buying a new device, you will get 3 months free. You can use it. Let's see what are the apps you are getting. So you are getting the most powerful app out of this all wonderful apps from Apple. First one is Final Cut Pro. So you are getting a lot of features. So if you are, what is the difference between buying one time and subscription? So let me tell you that if you are buying this one time, you will still get the updates, but there are some features. There will be some creative content or AI related things that you cannot use with the one time app. But with the subscription based content, you will get all the latest things from Apple, all the latest features, all the AI related things you will get if you are taking the subscription. So you are getting Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, Matter Pro. This is for video editing. This is for music production. Matter Pro is equivalent to the Photoshop app from Adobe, and Keynote app is the equivalent for Microsoft PowerPoint. Pages is the equivalent for the Microsoft Words, and Numbers is the equivalent for Microsoft Excel. So the free form is something different, and Motion is that is equivalent to Adobe After Effects. So you're getting a lot of apps, and these apps are really simple in comparison to the Adobe apps. Adobe apps are designed for the real industry standard professionals and whoever wants to work in a very professional studio. But these apps are for the beginners who want simplicity, who want speed, who has a Apple ecosystem. So if you want a simple education and you want to jump into the creative niche and want to be a YouTuber, so this is enough for you. You can use this, and this is very low price in comparison to any software. And if you have a MacBook or iPad, then this is really beneficial for you. You should not miss this. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment below. I'll answer it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.